Hi everybody, this is Ospreyeye from mychartcoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol ASTI. This first chart is a 15-minute chart. Each candle represents 15 minutes of trading. This is a 3-day chart. As you can see here, there was this nice uptrend that started yesterday. Candles were riding EMA's 4 and 8 support higher above the middle Bollinger Band, and then today there was a gap up open. As you can see, high of day was the first candle of the day, and then the share price faded for the rest of the day. It ended up, the ASTI filled the morning gap. So as you can see, this level right here was high of day on the first, and then the candles came down and filled that, hit that level, filling the gap. And so yeah, so a new downtrend started on the 15-minute chart when the candles closed below the middle Bollinger Band. So now the candles are riding EMA's 4 and 8 resistance lower. EMA 4 and EMA 8 are pinched. So bulls, you want to see EMA 4 bullish cross EMA 8, and then you want to see candles forming above the middle Bollinger Band to signal the start of a new uptrend. If the middle Bollinger Band at 0.202 remains resistance, that will equal further downside risk. If you take a look down here, there was this bearish crossover on MACD when support broke. As always, you know that's going to be those are going to be your red flags. And then now, what bulls are looking for, you're looking for the MACD line to cross the signal line to the upside to signal the start of a new uptrend. Okay, let's look at the next chart. This is another 15-minute chart, and each candle on this chart represents 15 minutes of trading. And what this is showing is the 50, 100, and 200-day moving averages. If you look back here in the first, there's this very nice move on the second candle of the day above all three moving averages, and then candles have been riding above those levels. Okay, and so the 50-day moving average was tested at 3 o'clock, and support held. And so this is going to be the key level to hold on this chart. Bulls want to see the 50-day moving average at 18.4 hold. If that breaks, that's going to put the 50-day moving average at 15, or the 100-day moving average at 15.3 on deck. And then really, if there is a pullback, bulls, you want to see this 200-day moving average turn into support. The nice thing here, look at the green line. It has bullish crossed the 100 and 200-day moving average. So you have a golden cross on here yesterday on the 15-minute chart. So yeah, let's look at the next chart. This chart is a daily chart. So on this chart, each candle represents 1 day of trading, and this is a three-month chart. As you can see here, a solid green candle formed. Okay, we call this this is a black candle. This is the open, and the close was below the open, creating this black candle. If you notice here, today's candle formed above the upper Bollinger Band, which is at 0.18. Okay, that's going to be your first level of support, and actually that is the so the ASTI will find support there, but that is actually resistance, and so this move above the upper Bollinger Band was frothy. Okay, so the candles do tend to work their way back into the Bollinger Bands. So bulls, you'd like to see a new uptrend begin. Now the candles are forming above the middle Bollinger Band, and you'd like to see EMA's 4 and 8 down here, the pink and green lines hold, and candles forming above those levels. If you look down here at volume, there's a very nice volume spike. So there was, a big volume spike yesterday, and that caught everybody's attention, and especially with the move above the middle Bollinger Band. And then today there was huge volume, but the one negative is that the share price closed well below its open. So there's big volume, but there was also a lot of big profit taking in here too. So that's something to keep in mind. If you look up here at FASTO and RSI, RSI is between 50 and 70 and in the bull zone. So, and RSI is down here at 47.62. The bull zone is between 50 and 80. So both of these indicators are showing there's juice to run. So that is the one nice thing about the pullback, is it lowered these two indicators. So there is room. ASTI is not overbought, so there is room to run higher. So that's a positive. And then if you look back here, what happened today, this is another daily chart, and this shows the 50 and 100-day moving averages. And yesterday, on the first, ASTI broke the 50-day moving average at 17 intraday, but failed to close above that level. And then today, there was this big gap up open above both the 50-day moving average and the 100-day moving average at 20. And so what happened was the share price pulled back. This is the black candle I was talking about. Pulled back and closed below the 100-day moving average, but above the 50-day moving average. So that's the key here. The key is to turn this green line into support and to break this yellow line, the 100-day moving average, and then have a close above that, and that would set up put the 200-day moving average at 59 on deck. Okay, this is ASTI. Thank you for viewing this chart. Hope you're having a great evening. Please check out our YouTube channel at mychartcoach.com, and our website is mychartcoach.com as well. Thank you.